I'm Shannon, and I'm going to show you what to do with your leftover Easter eggs. I'm going to be using some real mayonnaise and TD's Brew barbecue southern mustard. And first, I separated the yolks and the shells from a hard-boiled egg, and now I'm going to add the mayonnaise and the mustard into the crushed yolks. So now that I've mixed it up, I'm going to put it into the whites using a fork. You don't have to though. Now that I'm done filling my eggs, I'm going to sprinkle it with TD's Brew barbecue Zesty Taco. It's not just life-changing, it's also lunch-changing.